Wait, it's not ready yet.
Hold on.
Okay, yeah.
Eat it.
Put it in your mouth.
1.
They got good 4.
Taste it. Taste it. Taste
Taste it
it.
one more time. It's better the second time.
I like it.
Look at Gavin.
Gavin, I'm gonna eat it.
Look at Gavin, Ariana.
Look, Gavin, put it in your mouth.
Count to 10. Drop it. Drop it.
Put it in your mouth and count to
1,
10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Count to 10.
She's like, no. Gavin, look at me.
I know how.
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Eat it.
Jesse, can I borrow one of your diapers if I can do that?